welcome to another AIC video. I know I said I wasn't going to do a video on my Royal Enfield Classic 350 for a little while till I put some more miles on it, but some things I ordered that I didn't actually expect to get because the seller on eBay just disappeared, and I never even got a tracking number for these. I had no idea that I was going to get them or not. They just showed up today. But we got the lowrider. Little tag there says lowrider seat, and we also got the rear pillion for the rear backrest for the pillion rider. Go ahead and get these installed and see what difference it makes in the look of the bike. Just off the bat, these seem to be exactly the same build quality materials that the original seat is in, so I'm expecting it to look as good. I mean, it matches perfectly, which I'm glad of that. I mean, it seems well made and it should fit perfectly since it is. It even has a Royal Enfield badge or logo in the plastic molding. So, you know, this is an OEM part. So that makes me happy about that. This as well. We have a date stamp on there, and the part numbers all match for Royal Enfield. So should be factory fitting parts. Should be easy to go. Tools we need for the seat is just one, a 10mm wrench, and for the backrest, a 6mm Allen wrench. So pretty simple. Should take us just a few moments to take these off and put the new ones on. So we have the low ride seat on, and we have the little backrest. I think it doesn't transform the look of the bike or anything, but I definitely think, at least for me on a more classic looking bike, if you're going to have a rear seat, having the little backrest definitely adds to that look. My main goal with this is I do ride a lot with my kids, and they tend to latch on and grab on tight. So I'm hoping that this gives them a little more comfort behind them. They don't have to sit quite so close to me. And as far as the seat, I'm gonna go ahead and sit on it and see how it feels. All right, there we go. Oh, much better. Yeah, my feet are now more than completely flat on the ground. It feels, so I'm on a bit of a slope here. It feels way better as far as like just standing here, because my feet are completely flat on the ground on both sides. Obviously I'll have to put some miles on it and see how it feels comfort wise. It definitely isn't as cushy as the old seat, because obviously you've lost almost an inch of foam there, but I like the shape of it. So far it feels pretty okay, and we'll definitely put some miles on it. I'll tell you how it feels. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.